Now let us introduce buttons and dials on the remote controller. Short press power button to check the battery level of the remote controller. Short press and long press to turn the remote controller on. When the remote controller is turned on, short press power button to turn off the screen to save power. Press A button to turn on the spotlight and press again to turn off. B button is the power switch of the spreader in spreading mode. Press again to turn the spreader off. C and D button are customized. T1 is flight model switch. The far left position is altitude mode, which is also called manual mode. You need to control the altitude and directions manually, which require highly skilled operation. Altitude mode are not recommended. The middle position of T1 is GPS mode. Please always keep T1 at the middle position. During auto flight, if you want to set the brake point manually, or something emergency happens and you want to stop the auto flight, you can toggle from middle position to the far left position and back to middle position quickly. The far right position of T1 is AB execution mode. After you set A point and B point, toggle T1 to the far right position to start AB route. The far left position of T2 is AB mode in active state. Toggle T2 to middle position to set a point, and toggle T2 to the far right position to set B point. W1 is the camera gimbal adjustment dial. You can adjust the angle of the camera by W1. T3 is manual RTH switch. Normally, please keep T3 at the far right position, which is in active state. The middle position is customized. Toggle T3 to the far left position to enable RTH action. During auto flight, toggle T3 to the far left position. The aircraft will return to home. If the task is not finished yet, this operation will create a break point. T4 is the manual power switch of pump in spraying mode or outlet of spreader in spreading mode. The far right is in active state. Toggle to middle position. Pump will work by flight speed in manual operation mode. Toggle T4 to the far left position to turn on the pump or outlet of spreader manually. Before flight, please make sure T1 at the middle position, T2 at the far left position, T3 at the far right position, and T4 at the far right position. If any of the switch is not at the right position, the screen will send warning, and taking off is disabled.